Hello everyone, welcome to Designer Square Bio Homes. I am Asmir Javargiya and in today's video we'll be talking about the luxurious color shades which will turn your house into this regal royal look if you're looking forward to that. So let's get into this video and talk about the top 10 colors which will make your house have this royal and elegant look inside of it while giving this luxurious and wealthy vibe. But now, if you want a luxurious and rich color which will give you a regal atmosphere while enhancing your sense of concentration and giving this tranquil vibe, especially for your home offices or your libraries, and if you have a study room, so if you want to have a color specifically for that, then definitely go for the color royal blue, as this color in is this color of wisdom. It is a color for depth and sophistication inside of the room, and it pairs well with both warm and cool tones. You can layer it with different textures like velvet, silk, and linen. You can use it in upholstered furniture, silk drapes, and also statement walls for it. So, it is a color which will enhance your concentration, and it can be paired well with dark wood furniture. So, you can have your desk. A wood desk, a dark wood desk inside of the study room, and have this color to have this regal atmosphere while also enhancing your concentration inside of it. Or you can also incorporate blue porcelain or mosaic tiles in your kitchens or bathrooms to have a timeless aesthetic, all the while maintaining this aesthetic and luxurious vibe inside of it. This color also pairs well with gold, brass, or white accents, which also enhances its whole luxurious appeal. But now, if you want a luxurious and rich color which will give you a regal atmosphere while enhancing your sense of concentration and giving this tranquil vibe, especially for your home offices or your libraries, and if you have a study room, so if you want to have a color specifically for that, then definitely go for the color royal blue, as this color in is this color of wisdom. It is a color for depth and sophistication inside of the room, and it pairs well with both warm and cool tones. You can layer it with different textures like velvet, silk, and linen. You can use it in upholstered furniture, silk drapes, and also statement walls for it. So, it is a color which will enhance your concentration, and it can be paired well with dark wood furniture. So, you can have your desk. A wood desk, a dark wood desk inside of the study room, and have this color to have this regal atmosphere while also enhancing your concentration inside of it. Or you can also incorporate blue porcelain or mosaic tiles in your kitchens or bathrooms to have a timeless aesthetic, all the while maintaining this aesthetic and luxurious vibe inside of it. This color also pairs well with gold, brass, or white accents, which also enhances its whole luxurious appeal. Now let's move forward for the color burgundy, which is this deeper shade of red, and it also enhances the strength vibe inside of the house of providing this luxurious look. It is associated with power, wealth, and sensuality. So this color provides a air of formality and grandeur inside of your house. So this color is great for having it as in your dining rooms or in your libraries to create a dynamic yet inviting atmosphere inside of the room, and it also pairs well with metallics like gold and bronze, or to have an opulent feel inside of the house. In bedrooms you can mix it with cream or beige colors to have this lighter aesthetic and romantic aesthetic. And having burgundy rugs or accent chairs bring elegance without overwhelming the space. You can also incorporate this color by having burgundy velvet sofas, or by having tufted ottomans or silk drapes inside of your room to create this old world charm inside of the house. So basically, this burgundy color adds a rich hue and warm and depth to the interiors of your house. Now let's talk about the color charcoal gray. So charcoal gray basically symbolizes elegance, it symbolizes depth and timelessness inside of the house. It has this sophisticated vibe into it, and it provides this cozy yet ultra modern aesthetic when it is used color correctly, and it also has this dark undertone to it. So this is basically a neutral base which enhances other colors while not being overpowering. So you can use charcoal gray for statement walls in living rooms, or you can pair with warm lighting so you can add on to that drama. It works beautifully well with white marble countertops in kitchens to have a sleek contrast, and having it as upholstered gray furniture or textile wallpapers also adds on to this minimalist design if that is the vibe you want to go for. You can also pair it with gold, brass, or grey furniture. You can also have this blush pink tones which softens the intensity, and it also maintains this luxurious feel to the room. So you can incorporate the charcoal grey color in your home offices for a moody yet productive ambience to it. So now let's talk about a color which brings tranquility, depth, and also represent balance, which is deep teal. So it is a mix of blue and green like teal is, and it excludes this jewel-like richness, which adds on to this luxurious vibe and having it for your luxurious interior inside of the house. This color is both bold and also soothing, which allows it to create a statement, and it does not become overpowering inside of the room. So you can layer it with different shades of teal or with natural wood and glass elements. So you can have this balance yet luxurious feel to the room. You can use deep teal as accent walls or as cabinetry, and also for velvet furnishings to have this upscale room. And the steel and cream combination in bedrooms or bathrooms, this brings a sense of serenity inside of the house. And you can incorporate textured wallpapers or patterned tiles in teal so you can have this added dimension look. This color also goes well with warm metals like copper and glass. You can also have that incorporated for a vintage gleam aesthetic, and overall having it perfect without it being an overpowering for your senses. Now let's talk about a color which excludes this subtle luxurious vibe, this vibe of sophistication and warmth. So the color is called champagne, like the drink, and it has golden undertones to it. So it creates this airy, redefined atmosphere into it. It screams subtle luxury, and it is great for having it as your beddings or your drapes to create this dreamy, luxurious bedroom aesthetic. This color adds on to this coziness while also maintaining a high-end aesthetic, and it is also a great alternative for stark white colors. So if you want to have some warmth and not have this white minimalistic look, then this should be the color you should go for. You can use champagne color wall for a timeless and upscale look in your living rooms. You can use silk or satin champagne color curtains to have that touch of glamour, and you can combine with mirrored furniture or crystal chandeliers so you can have this Hollywood inspired look inside of your house. This color could be paired well with darker tones like navy, emerald, burgundy to have the striking contrast also. Now let's talk about a shade of purple which brings on to this creative, elegant yet dramatic vibe inside of the house, which is plum purple. It is a rich, deep shade which symbolizes royalty, creativity, and also mystery. So this color brings warmth and opulence, especially in dim lighting. So you can use plum colored upholstery, bedding, or wallpaper for this high-end look and moody effect inside of the room. It pairs well with warm gold accents for a vintage glam look, and plum in dining rooms or libraries, it creates an intimate and refined atmosphere. You can mix it with deep greens or navy blues for having this bold jewel tone palette, and The soft lighting enhances the richness of the shade, creating an inviting and luxurious space inside of the house. Enough about these bold jewel tone colors for luxury. Let's talk about a warm off-white shade which is ivory. It represents purity, it has classic elegance, and it has filled with this sophisticated vibes. It is a softer color than white and it adds warmth and depth without being a stark color. It has this timeless and luxurious appeal, and it is a luxurious foundation provider to layer textures and hues inside of the room. You can use ivory walls and furnishing to have this airy, timeless appeal. You can layer different shades of ivory with soft pale pastels and create a delicate, elegant atmosphere. Ivory marble tops and flooring enhance the luxurious feel of a space, and you can also incorporate textured fabrics like linen, silk, and cashmere for the added richness. And if you pair ivory with gold or wood tones, it provides this perfect, refined yet cozy look inside of the house. Moving on to the last color, let's end this with a strike contrast to ivory, which is jet black. Yes, jet black can provide this luxurious vibe which represents power, it represents mystery and sophistication. This color will add on to this bold dramatic effect while also maintaining a sense of modern elegance inside of the room. So the depth of black, it makes other colors pop inside of the room, so the textures in an interior space, they will pop out. You can use it as black accent walls for a moody contemporary aesthetic. Matte black fixtures in kitchens and bathrooms, they include this sleek, luxurious appeal. Having black velvet sofas, lacquered furniture, or high gloss black faux, it will add on to this depth and glamour. And you can pair this dark color with gold or silver for this ultra chic look. And you can also soften this color with warm writing, rich textures like fox fur or silk, so that it will overall provide a cozy yet high-end atmosphere to the house. So that is all for today. I hope you liked this video. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.